Sekhmet, one of the most powerful deities in Egyptian mythology, is often remembered for her fierce, lion-headed form and her association with war and destruction. But her role as a healer is equally profound and complex. She embodies the duality of harm and cure, disease and restoration, illustrating the Egyptian understanding that life and health are deeply intertwined with divine balance and cosmic order. As a goddess, Sekhmet was capable of unleashing plagues, striking down those who angered the gods. Yet she was also invoked to cure illness and protect the living. This duality is central to her power. She represents both the destructive forces that can disrupt human life and the restorative forces that can bring it back into alignment. In some myths, when humanity grew unruly or disobedient, Sekhmet was sent to punish, her rage manifesting as pestilence. However, her presence was also sought to remove disease and restore health, as the same divine power that could inflict suffering could also reverse it. Temples dedicated to Sekhmet were often centers of healing as well as worship. Priests acted as intermediaries, performing rituals and incantations to call upon her protective and curative powers. Patients would approach her temples to seek relief from illness, and the rituals often combined herbal remedies, prayers, and symbolic offerings. The Egyptians believed that the goddess could purify the body and spirit, not only curing physical ailments but also restoring harmony to the soul, reflecting the holistic approach of Egyptian medicine, which intertwined the spiritual and the corporeal. Sekhmet's identity as a solar deity further amplified her healing abilities. She is sometimes considered the Eye of Ra, the sun god's instrument of both wrath and protection. Her connection to the sun symbolizes purification, illumination, and life-giving energy. In healing, this manifests as the ability to burn away disease, toxins, and imbalance, clearing the way for restoration. Her fiery energy is both destructive and cleansing, illustrating that in Egyptian thought, true healing often required confronting and transforming the forces causing illness, rather than merely masking symptoms. The goddess's role in protective magic is also significant. She was invoked in amulets and charms to ward off disease and epidemics, particularly plagues. Her fierce lion-headed image served as a visual and spiritual shield, symbolizing the power to repel harmful forces and restore vitality. In this way, Sekhmet's healing was preventative as well as curative, emphasizing the importance of maintaining balance and honoring divine forces to sustain health. Sekhmet's dual nature also highlights the moral dimension of healing in Egyptian culture. Illness was sometimes seen as a reflection of imbalance, divine displeasure, or spiritual disturbance. By appealing to Sekhmet, devotees not only sought relief from physical symptoms, but also sought purification, reconciliation, and the restoration of order in their lives. Healing, therefore, was never purely physical. It was an act of aligning oneself with cosmic and divine forces, recognizing the interconnectedness of body, spirit, and society. In later Egyptian practices, Sekhmet's power continued to be invoked alongside other healing deities such as Hathor, Isis, and Thoth, blending magic, medicine, and ritual. Incantations, prayers, and offerings to Sekhmet were believed to amplify the efficacy of herbal treatments, demonstrating the integration of spiritual and practical approaches to health. Her priests acted as both spiritual guides and healers, bridging the human and divine realms to restore wholeness. Ultimately, Sekhmet's healing capabilities reveal a profound understanding of the nature of health in ancient Egypt. She embodies the principle that true restoration often requires confronting destructive forces, whether disease, imbalance, or spiritual disturbance, and transforming them through divine power. Her image as a lioness, fierce yet protective, reflects the intensity and effectiveness of her healing energy. Invoking Sekhmet for health was a recognition that life is sustained not just by physical remedies, but by aligning with cosmic order, respecting divine authority, and embracing the transformative power that restores balance to body, mind, and spirit. Her legacy as a healer reminds us that sometimes the path to health involves courage, confrontation, and purification, and that the forces capable of destruction are often those that hold the key to profound restoration. In Sekhmet, the Egyptians envisioned a goddess who could both punish and heal, a deity whose fiery power was ultimately devoted to maintaining life, vitality, and harmony in the world.